Hello, very good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So, we are here at Boom 1000 index. It is a higher time frame. It is a 4-hour time frame. And what I doing here, see it closely here. I draw a zone that is here resistance, but it is acting a support here. On higher time frames, stochastic is still low. If it breaks, oh my god, this is up. Oh yeah, up candle. Since it is rejecting at this support area, it might go up. Okay, it might go up, or after some 2-3 candles, uh, it might break down. Then I will be selling here. But at a look, so what you have to do on high time frame, you have to draw support zone and resistance zone. And here, what is here? Here you can see that it is uh, the support area here is break, then it is resisting here, then again come down, then all again resisting, come down, come up, and rejecting the market. But now here again, it here low, then up, low, then what? It breaks this zone, and you will have to buy here in 293 pips. Okay, so I'm just waiting for my exact entries here. Suppose it might be possible that it may go up or down. So this is my area. I just want to wait for some hours. If it break down, I will definitely short on this, but if it not, I will be a long position on it. This is simple trading, man. This is simple. Whether you are trading in stocks, forex, binary, what the hell it is, okay? This is the universal pattern. Support and resistance, key level. On higher time frame, draw a support that touches all the peaks and lows. Okay, so this is the best strategy if you are a new beginner. So guys, if you like this video, kindly share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is a little knowledge about trading. There are so many videos regarding this support and resistance level, but you have to draw the exact support and resistance, and practice and practice. Practice makes you better every time. Okay.